60-second tasks that transform your home. Mark is here from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and I'm about to share something that will completely change how you think about home maintenance. What if just 60 seconds could transform your entire living space from chaotic to spotless? No expensive equipment, no back-breaking work, just simple 1-minute actions that cleaning experts swear by. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have 8 game-changing techniques that will revolutionize your daily routine.
But first, if you're new to Seniors Cleaning Hacks, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we're constantly sharing practical senior-friendly cleaning solutions that actually work. And if this video helps you out, smash that like button. It really helps us reach more people who could benefit from these tips. Let's dive in. Marcus here, and welcome back to another episode of Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Maintaining a pristine, organized home doesn't necessarily demand hours of intensive scrubbing or elaborate weekend cleaning marathons. The secret lies in developing small, manageable habits that create substantial improvements over time. Even when your schedule feels packed or your energy levels aren't what they used to be, dedicating just 60 seconds to specific tasks can yield remarkable transformations. The key is consistency and knowing exactly which minute-long activities deliver the maximum impact for your effort. Professional cleaning experts have identified specific tasks that, when performed regularly in tiny time windows, prevent larger problems from developing and keep your living space looking fresh and welcoming. These aren't complicated techniques requiring special skills or expensive products. They're simple actions that anyone can incorporate into their daily routine. Technique number 1, replacing soiled kitchen towels. Let's start in the heart of your home, the kitchen. We've all experienced this scenario. You notice a spill on your countertop and instinctively reach for the nearest dish towel, only to discover it's damp, stained, or carrying an unpleasant odor. Instead of using that questionable towel anyway, take 30 seconds to grab a clean replacement or switch to disposable paper towels. This simple swap accomplishes more than you might realize. Fresh towels prevent the spread of harmful bacteria across your kitchen surfaces, ensuring that when you clean, you're actually sanitizing rather than redistributing germs. Professional cleaners emphasize that dirty towels can undermine all your other cleaning efforts by recontaminating surfaces you've just wiped down. Keep a stack of clean kitchen towels in an easily accessible drawer and establish a routine of changing them every day or two, depending on usage. This small habit prevents cross-contamination and keeps your kitchen smelling fresh while maintaining proper hygiene standards. Technique number 2, sanitizing your sink and fixtures. Your kitchen sink endures constant use throughout the day, yet it's surprisingly easy to overlook during routine tidying. Food particles, grease, and soap residue accumulate quickly, creating an environment where bacteria thrive and unpleasant odors develop. Take 1 minute after your evening meal preparation to thoroughly wipe down the entire sink basin and faucet. Use a disinfectant wipe or spray cleaner with a microfiber cloth to remove buildup and restore shine to your fixtures. Pay special attention to the faucet base and handles where grime tends to accumulate in crevices. This daily maintenance prevents the formation of stubborn stains and eliminates the source of mysterious kitchen odors. When guests visit, a sparkling sink immediately signals that your kitchen is well maintained and hygienic.
Technique number 3, refreshing your bathroom basin. Few sights are less appealing than dried toothpaste splattered across your bathroom sink. While morning routines often feel rushed, taking 30 seconds to rinse and wipe your sink after brushing prevents this unsightly buildup from forming. Professional cleaning services report that dried toothpaste becomes increasingly difficult to remove over time, eventually requiring harsh scrubbing that can damage sink surfaces. By addressing these splatters immediately while they're still wet and pliable, you maintain your sink's appearance effortlessly. Keep a small sponge or cloth near your sink specifically for this purpose. A quick rinse followed by a gentle wipe removes toothpaste residue, water spots, and soap film, leaving your sink looking pristine for the next person who uses it.
Technique number 4. Maintaining bathroom countertops. Bathroom counters face unique challenges, bearing the brunt of beauty routines, medical preparations, and daily grooming activities. Makeup powder, hair products, and various toiletries can quickly transform a clean counter into a cluttered, dusty surface that detracts from your bathroom's overall appearance. Dedicate 60 seconds each evening to clearing and wiping your bathroom countertop. Remove items that don't belong, return products to their designated storage areas, and use a damp cloth or cleaning wipe to remove dust, hair, and product residue. Consider storing multi-purpose cleaning wipes in your bathroom cabinet for convenient access. This simple practice prevents the accumulation of debris and keeps your bathroom looking organized and welcoming, while also making your morning routine more pleasant and efficient. Technique number 5. Managing clothing properly. Nothing disrupts a bedroom's peaceful atmosphere like clothes draped over chairs, scattered on the floor, or piled on dressers. This visual clutter creates stress and makes your personal space feel chaotic rather than restful. Establish a firm rule about immediately placing worn clothing in designated hampers rather than allowing items to accumulate on furniture or floors. This takes literally seconds, but maintains your bedroom's serene environment while preventing wrinkles and odors from setting into your garments. Position hampers strategically around your home, one in each bedroom and another in shared spaces where family members might change clothes. When dirty clothes have obvious destinations, everyone in your household will find it easier to maintain this helpful habit.
Technique number 6. Organizing bedside surfaces. Nightstands often become catch-all surfaces for books, medications, glasses, electronics, and various personal items. When these small areas become cluttered, they can make your entire bedroom feel disorganized and stressful. Spend 1 minute each morning or evening sorting through nightstand contents. Return items to their proper locations, dispose of trash, and organize remaining essentials neatly. Because nightstands have limited surface area, this task rarely takes longer than 60 seconds, but creates an immediate visual improvement. Consider using small containers or drawer organizers to keep frequently used items easily accessible while maintaining order. This organization system makes your nighttime and morning routine smoother while contributing to better sleep hygiene. Don't forget to drop a comment below telling us which technique you're most excited to try. I love hearing from our Seniors Cleaning Hacks community. Technique number 7. Processing mail immediately. Mail delivery creates daily opportunities for clutter accumulation. When letters, bills, and advertisements pile up unopened on counters or tables, they quickly become overwhelming obstacles to maintaining an organized home. Develop a habit of sorting mail immediately upon retrieval. Spend 1 minute separating important documents from advertisements and junk mail. Recycle unwanted items immediately and place important correspondence in a designated location for later attention. This daily practice prevents paper clutter from taking over your surfaces, while ensuring that important communications don't get lost in the shuffle. Consider establishing a mail station with folders or trays for different categories of correspondence. Technique number 8. Addressing spills promptly. Perhaps the most impactful minute-long habit involves cleaning minor messes immediately rather than allowing them to set and spread. Professional cleaners emphasize that prompt attention to small problems prevents them from becoming major cleaning challenges. When you notice crumbs on counters, spots on floors, or spills on surfaces, address them within 60 seconds using appropriate cleaning supplies. This might involve wiping sticky residue from floors, collecting crumbs from dining areas, or cleaning splashes from stovetops. This proactive approach prevents stains from setting, eliminates attractants for pests, and maintains your home's overall cleanliness without requiring intensive periodic cleaning sessions. The key is developing awareness of small messes and responding immediately rather than postponing action. Implementation strategies. Successfully incorporating these techniques requires strategic planning and consistent execution. Start by selecting 2 or 3 techniques that address your home's most problematic areas. Then gradually add additional practices as these become automatic habits. Consider linking these cleaning tasks to existing routines. Wipe your bathroom sink after brushing teeth. Clean kitchen counters after preparing meals, or sort mail while having your afternoon coffee. This connection makes new habits easier to remember and maintain. Stock appropriate cleaning supplies in convenient locations throughout your home. Keep cleaning wipes in bathrooms, microfiber cloths in the kitchen, and a small vacuum or handheld cleaner easily accessible for quick crumb cleanup.
Long-term benefits. These minute-long practices deliver benefits that extend far beyond immediate cleanliness. Regular maintenance prevents the accumulation of dirt and grime that eventually requires intensive cleaning efforts, saving both time and physical energy in the long term. Maintaining organized, clean spaces also provides psychological benefits, reducing stress and creating environments that support relaxation and productivity. When your home consistently looks well-maintained, you'll feel more comfortable inviting friends and family to visit. Professional cleaning experts note that homes maintained with consistent small actions require less frequent deep cleaning services and experience fewer problems with persistent odors, stains, or pest issues. If you found these tips helpful, please share this video with friends who might benefit. Sharing is caring in our Seniors Cleaning Hacks community.
Remember, transforming your home doesn't require marathon cleaning sessions or expensive equipment. These 8 60-second techniques, when practiced consistently, create and maintain the clean, organized environment you deserve. The secret lies in consistency rather than perfection. Even implementing a few of these strategies will yield noticeable improvements. Start with the techniques that address your biggest challenges. Build them into habits, then gradually expand your routine. Your future self will thank you for the small efforts you make today. This is Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, reminding you that a cleaner home is just 60 seconds away. Until next time, keep those cleaning hacks coming, and I'll see you in the next video. Before you go, make sure you're subscribed to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more practical cleaning solutions designed specifically with seniors in mind. Hit that like button if this video helped you out, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tips and tricks.